Hi guys, it's me Mackenzie and today we're going on holiday. We're going to Clacton for a weekend because we would have been in Florida right now, but obviously because of the whole pandemic we're going to Clacton with the dog. Just got to the caravan. I'll give a tour later. It's very nice. And yeah, me, dad and mum are going to go. There's no cars coming. We're going to Morrison's to get food. But it's so hot, so Shay's staying with the dogs in the caravan. Yeah, I think that's. We'll go to the beach hopefully later when it's cooler. But right now it's way too hot. Okay, so it's 8:45.
Oh wow.
So we're walking the dogs and it's kind of like a sunset. The sun should be setting now. But yeah, the sand is hot.
This way.
It feels so weird. Oh, he'll let the dogs out.
This way.
I know, but we're going to go to the arcade in a bit. But we're gonna wait until later. So we're gonna wait when it's after the kids club because we don't want to watch the kids club. If it was the old kids club that we went to, like Sparky's Cruise Club, I think we would have went. But because it's like a new changed one, we don't want to see that. So we're gonna go back to the caravan, have some snacks, I think. Oh, I still need to show you the caravan. I'll show you when I do my bed. Because I didn't make our bed, which is weird. It's like the first time they've never made it. But yeah, and then we'll go back out, go to the arcade, watch the entertainment. Yeah. Ow! Shit! You just tripped over my foot. All the lights. It's about to rain. Oh, it's been hot all day and now it's gonna rain. The pool, that's the inside bit, that's the outside bit. This is like the dinner place. And then this is the kids club. It's connected to the arcade. And there's like football, basketball, and then a park which is closed at the moment. But yeah. I put all the blankets underneath so it pads it out. I brought my own blanket. But yeah, my bag and my jumper's there. Hello.
That's what I do when I'm in buttons. I push the bed together.
My clothes.
Because I've fallen out a number of times. Not expecting it, you know, when you roll over in them.
Oh, I'm getting tons of. Oh my god. I have so many spots on my nose because of the mask, but at least you know I've been using it. Okay, so it's 9 AM and I'm walking the dogs. But I woke up at 7, fed them, took them out on like a pee run. Made breakfast, had a shower, got dressed, made parents tea, and yeah, so just walking them now. Come on. Okay, so I'm back now. This was my outfit, in case you were wondering. But we might be going into town today. There's dogs next door barking at my dog. But we might be going to the town today because Shay wants to go to a gaming shop and I want to buy some things. Yeah, we might be going to the pier as well if it's open. We don't know if it's open yet. Yeah, maybe later we'll go to the beach if we have time. I want to get a swimming costume. Papa! stop. Oh my god, I'm trying to stop her from going outside. Jumping through the window, bloody hell. But yeah, tomorrow, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. Okay, so we're driving to the town. I changed, I'm wearing a flowy shirt and shorts because it's really hot.
Like that. Up this one.
Avoids our home insurance as well.
Okay, so I just went shopping and oh,
My outfit.
I like it. I'll show you what I got later. Before I change into my swim costume, I just want to show you everything that I got. I got this one piece from New Look and it's got like a belt, so I thought it was quite cool and edgy. It was 50% off. And then I got mix and match bikinis. I really like this because it's quite simple. And then I got some hair dye, some bleach. So this should lighten my hair. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be light, do you know what I mean? And then I got hair dye. I also dyed my hair pink last year, if you remember. I'll put a photo now. And then I got a fabric cutter because I really wanted one.
You lose your ball.
We're playing Crazy Girl. And me and Shay got a 2. Oh. Okay, Dad's losing in this round. We're gonna go go-karting, but it's very busy, so we might not. So we're having chips as salt and vinegar chips.
Salt and pepper.
Vinegar. You okay?
Yeah.
So hot.
Who's a champion golfer? Oh, I love it. I just think a lot of it. Bang over, right? What's the next thing up from here? Is it water?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then it's tricky.
Yeah. Can we go for a drive later on after dinner then so we can have a look? And I'll show you where we used to stay.
So we actually just went to dinner. I forgot to film it, but I'm wearing a fancy shirt and white jeans. I think me and Mum. Mum, did you dress up a little bit?
Change my top.
Shay, we went to Toby's, and we had a carvery. It was very, very nice. Yeah, so we're heading back now to see the dogs. Very good. Okay, so I've been saying I'm gonna do a tour. Now it's the last day and I haven't done a tour yet, so I'm gonna just do it quickly. The door entrance, the dog's pee mat and water is there. This is our kitchen, very nice big kitchen. Our sofas and a dining table. And then when you go into here, excuse me doggies. So this is the hallway right now, we're just packing up. So the first door on the left is my room, and I push the 2 beds together to make a double bed. I need to put that back actually.
Put those sheets in there.
I know, in the back. This is Mum and Dad's room. They've got a vanity, and yeah, see we're right next to the tents, to the campsite. And this is Shay's room. He picked the smaller room, which I was happy about, but I don't know why he did. This is the first toilet. My sister done her makeup, but it only has a toilet and a mirror. And I'll show you that when Dad's finished. So this is actually the other bathroom. I need to sneeze. So this is part 2 of our family holiday. It's a week later and we're actually in Stonehenge, or where the place where Stonehenge is. It's just me, Mum and Shay. And yeah, we're staying in a nice little pub hotel.
Your grace, she's gonna fill it with your holy rules, holy rules. Spit out all those streets. She's gonna feed you her own dreams, own dreams. The ultimate rules and telepathy. Our love is laughter, which are swept by the creatures of its sensitive beings. We take the pleasure in being defensive. These are senses, forgetting our hearts were made for affection. We started our nasty fable.
We're eating in an Italian restaurant.
What's the restaurant called?
Piazza.
Huh?
Italian restaurant. So we're in the hotel. I'll just show you quickly. So this is the entrance, cupboard, bathroom, and then this is mine and Shay's room. And then Mum's is basically the same but just flipped. Oh my god. Shay just said he was stuck. And then I see this. As you can tell, I'm proper sleep deprived, but I find that so funny. This is how they carry them out. And these were the houses that they lived in. We started the trek, 25 minutes. Shay's head's covering it.
Sensitive beings. We take the pleasure in being defensive. The place of senses, forgetting our hearts were made for affection. We started our nasty fable. Back again, checking your range, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, rejoice. A party over here, a party over there, wave your hands in the air, shake the derriere.
Dancing